Hey, how's it going today, guys? I'm just going to be going through a quick demo on an automation I built. So basically, what it does is it acts as a therapist's assistant, like a scheduling assistant. So I've used Agentive for the chatbot, and then that's what the client will be using in the beginning. So they type in the chatbot, and then the bot will ask for certain questions, and the questions that it gets, it will then shoot over to Zapier is what I used to automate it, and then that pushes it over to an intake form for which therapists can use to know the upcoming events that they're going to be having, and then it also will push it to a Calendly so it automates the scheduling itself, so the client can just like schedule like a quick start session so they can get to know what the issue is. So I'll just go through quickly how it works. So I started here with Agentive, need a simple prompt. It's just nothing crazy because it's just a demo, and then there's no knowledge needed in this example or in this build. And then the tools is just a Zapier integration. So you basically will a demo in a second. You ask the chat the stuff, and then it gets your answers, uses Zapier, and then it shoots it over here. So we're just gonna go with a quick demo. So I'm gonna put this to the live version so we can get a live chat going. Okay, so we're just going to start with a simple hello. This will be the client's shoes right here, and then we'll wait for the response. So what it's first going to ask is it's just going to ask for a name. So I'll give a name like, I don't know, John Doe, just for example purposes. Alright, and then the next thing it's going to ask is for an email, so I'll do john5@gmail.com. And then the third thing it's going to ask is just general availability, so the therapist knows like when you'd usually be available. So let's say John Doe is available all day on the weekends. And then the last thing it's going to ask is what you're seeking therapy for. So this can help the therapist get an idea of what they need to help you with before you actually hop into your first session. So let's just say anxiety. So those are the questions that it's going to be asking you. If you're a client, nothing crazy, just helping to get the scheduling started. And then once you've answered all those, it'll send you this schedule. So you can you open this, and then now you can set up the call. And then now it gives us this message: all the information has been successfully submitted. So basically what we've done here is we've used this, the chat, and then the answers it gets goes through Zapier, and then here we are. In this form we have our answers. So the name was John Doe, this is email, his availability, and the reason for the visit. And if we go back to here, that's what we answered. So this basically just helps with saving time. Because realistically, if you're a therapist, you want to work on helping your clients, and one thing that can get in the way is just scheduling and making sure, are they showing, are they going to come, are they canceling? And this simple automation makes it a lot easier for everything to flow smoothly. So this can save a lot of time, a lot of work, just for small practices, so they can focus on the things that matter. Alright, so I hope that this was a pretty simple demonstration and you guys understood why I built this and what it can really help. So stay tuned for upcoming videos. I'm going to be working on some other projects, simple demos like this, and I'll help you guys if you have any questions or you want to get starting with your own automations. I can do that. I can help you guys there as well. So thanks for watching today's video, and then I'll see you guys next time.